friends. Hola, amigos. Today we're going to get started by reading our story about Kit's mom. Hoy vamos a leer nuestro cuento de Kit y la mamá de Kit. We're going to say the sounds with me and put them together and say the word. Di los sonidos conmigo y júntalos y di la palabra. Recuerda señalar a cada palabra cuando estés leyendo. All right, here's our title, el título. Kit's mom, la mamá de Kit. Kit's mom. I didn't know this word. Yo no conozco esta palabra, so I have to say the sounds. Di los sonidos. G, et, gets, gets. Kit's mom gets up, at, six. Kit's mom gets up at 6. La mamá de Kit se levanta a las 6. Kit's mom gets dad up. Kit's mom gets dad up. La mamá de Kit levanta a papá. Kit's. Oh, yes, I remember. Yo recuerdo. Kit's. Mom. Gets. Kit. Up. Kit's mom gets Kit up. La mamá de Kit levanta a Kit. Oops. Kit's mom. Kit's mom gets. Kit's mom gets dad fed. Kit's mom gets dad fed. La mamá de Kit alimenta a papá. Kit's mom gets Kit fed. Kit's mom gets Kit fed. La mamá de Kit alimenta a Kit. Kit's mom gets. Kit's mom gets Kit's pets fed. Kit's mom gets Kit's pets fed. La mamá de Kit alimenta a las mascotas de Kit. All right, that's the end. El fin. Good job. Buen trabajo. Let's give ourselves a cheer. Let's do the kiss your brain cheer. Kiss your brain, throw some glitter, make it rain. Good job. Buen trabajo. Continue to practice. Continuar practicamos.